Hello. Hi everyone. Welcome back to the next session of SAP ABAP HANA training series. Thank you for choosing JK Tutorials. So in the previous session, we have discussed about CDS views. Okay. So what is this CDS views? So what is a CDS view? So if someone will ask you, CDS view can be used. So a CDS view which is used to query the data from the database tables, even from other database so data sources also. Okay. What is this ADSU? It is used to define semantically rich data models. What is this semantically rich data? It means we can give annotations in the CDSUs. Okay. So, you know, okay, sorry. So this basic CDSU we have created, extended CDSU we have created. So this CDS views on view we have already created, or next view you can say. Okay, so we will discuss these three topics: CDSU with join, CDSU with association, what is this association, CDSU with sets parameters. So all of these three topics we will see in our coming up session. Before going to more into depth to the CDS view, let's see the difference between CDS view versus DDIC view. What is the CDS view? What is the DDIC view? When SAP has already having a concept of DDIC view, then why they came up with new concept which is known as serious view. Okay. So these are very important questions which all you need to understand. Okay. If you don't understand these questions, then the chance of learning serious will go away because you will say, sir, when we are having DDS view, why to learn this serious view? Okay. Why SAP has introduced CDS view when they already have views? Okay. Already have read views. Okay, these views why SAP introduced this CDS view. Okay, this question also would have came up in your mind when you first time heard about the CDS view concept. That if you already have a lot of DDIC views, okay, like okay, so database view, our maintenance view, health view, when we are having these already these views, then why this CDS view concept came? Okay, so some of those topics are okay. So the first feature is with this CDSU is right outer join. Okay. So in this we are having the right outer join. Yes. And the first feature is right outer join. We cannot do right outer join with DDIC views, but you can do with CDS views. Okay. Then the next come up with semantically rich data model. Okay. Yes. Obviously. No. What is this semantically rich data model? What does this mean? It means CDS views are semantically rich data model. They have annotation concept. But DDIC views don't have such an annotation concept. You will see it in action in coming up classes also. Okay. How annotations will change our concept, full concept when we will be using the CDS views. Okay. So this is the second benefit which you go out of this box. Okay, is clear, guys? The next thing is OData services, which is very, very important, guys. OData services. Okay, what is this OData service? So there is a possibility to create direct OData service on top of CDS views, but it's not possible with DDS view, DDIC view, obviously. Okay, now why OData service is so important? Okay, some of you may think, hey, why to use if CDS view is having OData service feature, then what is the use of this OData service? Okay, that there is another benefit. You get it with CDS view. Okay, the CDS view are simple, but when it comes to DDIC views, they are complex because you have to put a lot of joins over there. You can put certain tables, lot of those things. You can do it. You can do it, but it becomes very complicated. Okay. So with the help, okay, here in the you will say why to use this OData service. So it will provide us a connection between some external system and our SAP system. Okay, guys, it is clear. The next thing is core to data paradigm. Okay. Core to data paradigm. Yes. In this we are having core to data paradigm, but in this data DDIC rules we don't have. Okay. So CDS are best ways to achieve core to data paradigm, but DDIC use does not do that. They always do via database interface. Okay. In the terms of complexity, they are simple, Okay, they are not that much complex, but they are very complex. Okay, it is clear, guys. So next, come up with ADB support. Okay, yes, DDIC views does not support in our web development in our Eclipse, but CDS views we can use this in our ADT. Is this clear, guys? Okay. Next, come up with loose coupling. Loose coupling between tables. What does this mean? Loosely, okay? And here it's very costly. What is this loosely coupling means between tables? So when you do the normal views, what happen? It's a tight coupling between table. When you are going to do a DDIC view, it's a tight coupling between table, which means join is bound to perform every time the join carries out, and when the join carries out, it's supposed to honor database performance. Okay, so that's what it is costly when it comes to these views because join is mandatory. So in DDIC views, join is here. Join is you can write here as join is mandatory. Okay, so with this join is mandatory. As a result, you will get a with this CDS views. Okay, with this CDS views, join is okay. Sorry, guys. So when it comes to our CDS view, it's not costly because join is performed loosely. As a result, you will get a good result from the system. That's the benefit you get it out respect to the CDS views. Okay. And here what we use, mainly whatever we will use is association. Okay. Association topic we will discuss in our coming up sessions. Okay. Where this association is very powerful concept, guys. Okay. And what is that? Okay. And this one is also supports Fiori, UI, UX. Okay. Very good with this Fiori. And this one, DDIC views are not supportable with UI. Okay. I think this one is enough for you. The difference between CDS view and DDIC views. Okay. So yeah, guys. So that's all for this session. We will discuss about something associations, this CDS view with association, CDS view with parameters. In the next session, we will discuss about CDS views with parameters. Okay, how can we pass the input values to the parameters? As we have seen in our previous session, how can we use the where condition with this CDS views? Okay, hope this one is clear to everyone. So that's all for this session, guys. See you in the next session. Have a good day. Bye bye.